Hello world and welcome back. In this video we'll look at set methods. So let's take a new file, write 13 set methods.py, enter. Okay, so what I will do is I will just take this set over here, what we have already described. So just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so now we'll just see few methods. So first method I can just do is Greek dot add. So what this will do is this will add an element. So let's say I want to add psi, and now print Greek. Okay, so let's see what happens. 13 tab. I forgot to write Python. So psi is added over here, you can see, and alpha, because it is repetitive, it will only print once. So let me just comment this and let's go ahead. Let's see clear. So what clear will do is, as we have seen from list, clear will just clear the set, but it won't delete the set. So just run this. So in this case it returns us an empty set over here. Okay, just comment this out. Next is, let's say copy. So I can just write another copy. So I can just write Greek copy equals to our original Greek dot copy, and if we print both over here, print Greek copy. So what will happen? I'll get the copy of this one as well. And remember, psi is not added over here because I've commented psi over here, and it is not clear also because these both are in comments. So you can just store everything in Greek copy and you can make manipulations in that file, or you can make manipulations in this and the original file is safe with you. Okay, I'll just comment this and this. Let's work with something new. So let's say you want to discard something, so you can write discard, and let's say I want to discard alpha. So what do you think? There are 3 alphas, so it will delete 1 alpha and keep the 2, or what will happen? So let's see. So it doesn't matter how many alphas over here, all are going to get discarded. Okay, so there's one more comment for discard, like similar to discard, it's called as Greek dot, I think so, remove. And remove also I can do the same thing. Let's say beta, save this and go. So we can see beta is not here, okay, in this set. Let's say Greek dot pop. Okay, so this is very fun to see, because let's say it has eliminated alpha, gamma, I think so omega is eliminated. Okay, let's run this again. Now omega is back, and which is eliminated? Beta is eliminated. Why? Because so pop will randomly remove any one of the element, because this set is already in random order. Any one element is going to get omitted randomly. So if I run this again, I don't know what's going to eliminate. So alpha, beta, okay, beta, same, beta is gone. Again if I run, beta is back and omega is gone. Okay, so you can play some games or make some games or shuffle cards, your playing cards this way, and you can eliminate one card using this or some game. Okay, so let's say you want to add multiple things. So Greek dot add, we have already seen this, and I want to add psi and let's say phi. Okay, I want to add these two, and if I run, so it tells me it takes only one argument. So now that's an issue. So what can I do? So what could I do is I could use another method called as update. Let's save this and let's see whether psi and pi gets added to our set. Oops, so it does not add, but it breaks this psi, so it adds p, s and I, and again it will break p, h and I, so only h is going to get added. Why? Because p and I are already present because of psi, so only h is going to get added. Okay, we don't want to add our elements like this. So what we'll do is we'll just place them in a tuple, and as you all know, tuples are immutable. So if I just place them in a tuple, what's going to happen? Okay, so psi and phi, they both are as it is, like we wanted. Excellent. So let's see one more now, 2 more commands I think so. So let's take one more variable and write Greek small, and what I will do is I will add few elements, alpha, and let's say beta only 2. Okay, now what can I do is I can just, okay, I'll comment everything and go here. So print whether Greek small is a subset of Greek. Subset means whether all the elements of Greek small are present in Greek. So this is the parent element over here and this is the child element, we can say it like that. So it's a subset. So let's see what it returns. So it returns true. Yes, it is a subset. But if we do reverse, that whether Greek is the subset of Greek small, so the answer will be false. Why? Because this is not the parent set, this is the parent set, and not all the elements over here which are present in Greek are not present in Greek small. We can see one more, print, and I can say is Greek dot is set or is disjoint. Okay, sorry, is disjoint set of Greek underscore small. So what it will do is it will return false. Why? Because these both are not disjoint. Disjoint means they should have nothing in common. So if I just remove this and write by psi and now run this, so it returns true. Why? Because these both sets do not have anything in common. So that is why these will be called as disjoint sets. So I think so there might be few more methods, but these are enough for the tutorial. And like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.